Okay, here we go. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. I have Teresa here. She's a notary. You need her. Okay, now what is it that these people need to know? Not only how to contact you, they do need to know how to contact you. How do they contact you?
Oh, for contact, they can call, text, or email. I answer all of them quite quickly. If I'm in the middle of a signing, give me a little patience. But my website is notaryinaheartbeat.com. My email is Teresa without the H, Teresa at niahv.com. My phone is 310-845-6144. Those are all my contacts. Yeah.
Notary in a heartbeat, despite distractions of helicopters going over and every other thing. Okay, and what do these people need to know? When would they use a notary? How would they use a notary?
Well, now I provide mobile only. So I don't keep an office where people can come to. I specialize in mobile. So sometimes it might be an elderly person that doesn't get out. Maybe it's after hours, and or maybe you're working at home and you'd rather pay the house call fee for me to jump in and they could keep on working, and so a variety of reasons that you might need a mobile. I'll go to a nursing home, a hospital, an office, a home, a park, a coffee shop, wherever.
Okay, and one more time, how do people contact you?
310-845-6144, Teresa at niahv.com.
In a heartbeat.
In a heartbeat. I'll be there in a heartbeat.
I love that. I love that. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. You need to call her. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you, Teresa.
You're welcome.